This is a 2008 Dodge Caliber, and today I'm going to be changing out the spark plug, which is underneath those four coils here. Hopefully I'm pointing at the right thing because I can't see the camera, but this four things are the coil packs. And to remove those, you need to get a T27, there's a torque, and they have a clip here that you pull. Just like that. And it just pulls right up. Now we got one done. Do the next. You can actually take and replace these and get these at AutoZone. I have another video on that. You can just search ignition coil. They're not hard to replace, as you can see. And these go for like $30 each. 32 change. Okay, tools. This is the 5/8 of an inch swivel magnetic spark plug socket. 3/8 drive chain. That's what she looks like. I'll be turning it this way to get them out, as they are way down in this little hole. Oh, that's going to be hard. We'll get to that in just a second. Spark plugs. I got these off of Amazon. They're supposed to be the same. But you can get your own spark plugs at AutoZone. This is just something that I bought together to make it more convenient for me. Recommended torque. We got these in millimeters. So, yeah. We'll get these out. See how hard it is. I don't want to take a break. These off. That is pretty down in there. Yep. Yeah, I don't think that needed to be replaced at all, do you? Well, Alright, well, let's see the corrosion on them, something. Let's wait when we get the next 3 out. And then we'll tighten them. Three. Oh, that one's in. That ought to make it run a little bit better, I think, replacing these. And for the last one. We'll get a new one out and compare the two for the gap sizes. Man. I hope they're the right gap. Has a little pointier top to him than the other one. The other one's kind of round. I don't know if that's good or bad. We'll find out, won't we? Now these I'm just going to hand thread. I'm going to hand thread them all and then go back and tighten them. I guess it's supposed to take and get them in the right torque. So I'd have to go find somebody that has a little torque wrench. I don't think you necessarily need to have to rush me to the best. So, but we'll continue. You're done 1, you're done 3. You're done 4. Okay, now the last spark plug, and then we'll hand tighten them, and then get the conditioned coils on them. See how it runs. Running, so I must have done something, right? You hear an excess loud noise, it's because the exhaust is off, so I'm going to do the oil next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.